discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Chevrolet Malibu. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, power front seats, remote keyless entry, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chevrolet's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.